In this video, I'll show you how to set up special offer on Airbnb. To get started, go ahead and open Airbnb on your device. You can do this both on the browser version and the app version. So switch to hosting or manage listings. So go ahead and switch to hosting, and that will redirect you here. Head over to the menus tab and hit on listings. Click on that specific listing where you want to actually set up promotions. So head over into the pricing and availability section, and from here go ahead and head over into the discounts tab, and on the discounts tab you can go ahead and set up promotions such as weekly discount, monthly discount, custom length of stay discounts, early bird discounts, and last minute discounts. And since what we want to set up is a promo offer, you can go ahead and set that up under the monthly or the weekly discount. So in here, go ahead and hit on the edit button at the right side of that specific discount. Enter the amount of discount that you want to give for this specific listing for that specific event and save that. That is how you can simply set up promos on Airbnb.